What up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Took a trade on Nasdaq, banked a big ass win today, thanks to the war news that came out. So yeah, let's go over the trade, and firstly, let's go over my bias. So as I've told you guys yesterday, I want to see a high time frame retrace because we've not seen a bearish candle since Tuesday morning or New York time at night. So we come down, we dump Asia session, we hit equilibrium. Pre-market, we sweep out this 4 hour low right here. We also came down into this 4 hour fair value gap. So exactly what I wanted. Just happened a day too late. So, but it's not that deep. So today, exactly what I wanted. Pre-market, we also broke structure right here. Didn't care about that because we are high time frame super bullish and we are in this 4 hour gap. So 4 hour we also still bearish. We did inverse this gap because we have this gap stacked underneath here. We had to inverse here to break structure. So yeah, looked perfectly good for me to take longs. And my initial plan was take longs to London highs. Yeah, so market opens, we see this 15-minute gap right here. I wanted to close above it on the 15-minute or on the 5-minute above this gap right here, which we do on ES. We close above it. So I just, this was even more confirmation for me because we already broke structure to the upside right here, firstly. And yeah, so I wanted to see a retrace into equilibrium, which happened. We also have this fair value gap right here, which is nice. This fair value gap is even bigger here. Equilibrium level is right here. Wait, no, it's this equilibrium. So I wanted to take the trade on Nasdaq, yeah. So I wanted to come into the fair value gap or equilibrium, whatever. 1 minute break out of it, entry long, take London highs. What happened after that? We did not break structure in the 1 minute. We broke structure on the 5 minute to the downside, which is I was really tilted. I was like, bro, what the fuck is this? But so the markets gave us a bullish SMT, so I was hyped up again. I was like, damn, yeah, give me that. Perfect. We take that bullish SMT, close. Next thing I wanted, close above this gap, which happened. Perfect. Close above it. I wanted to see retrace into equilibrium. Did not happen. Then after this candle closed, I want to see retrace into the gap. Did not happen. I want to see a retrace into this gap. Did not happen. I wanted to see a retrace into this gap, and at this point I was super mad because I really wanted to take longs to this London highs because I was 100% sure we're gonna hit them. So I was really mad. Normally I wouldn't take this trade right here because the fair value gap is fucking tiny. It's, you barely see it. So we come into this gap. We are on the 1 minute and we break out. We fucking break structure on everything. Yeah, we already were bullish, but you get what I'm seeing. So we break structure. I enter right on this candle here to Asia highs. At first, it was not really decisive what's gonna happen, but we came down into this equilibrium right here. Barely, yeah, we barely touched it, and then we continued higher. So now, from now here on, here we touched equilibrium, and after that we continued a bit higher. We were here, and I think here war news dropped, and we ripped the fuck to my TP. Um, yeah, it's honestly crazy because this trade is insane. This is the best trade of my career. And considering I took it off this fucking fair value gap, it's even more crazy. But yeah, if we look at this, this is my 50k Lucid account. I have two of those. These two right here made 1700 on these. Then my new 150k eval made 3600 or 700 on this, and my top step 50k, which was super low on balance. And if I hit zero, my account gets breached. So I only risked small on this one, made 630, which is also really nice. I'm really happy about it because I have some more balance now. And yeah, this is my trade tracker app. I've programmed this myself. You guys can check this out. You can see this is how much I've actually earned from trading. This is how much I made in this is how much I made in payouts. This is how much I um gave for Top Step, Lucid, and TradingView. You can see how much individually. You see a chart right here. You see um your last, not trades, why is trades, but yeah, your last transactions and transactions that will happen. So my TradingView subscriptions, and here you have a journal where you can enter all of your trades. Under services, you can enter your services which you spent money on, and your trading accounts. Here you see all your transaction. You can start a new transaction here. This is income, expenses. You can choose your service, whatever. um yeah, so we've journaled these trades. On the week we are up 5,000 across all accounts. Yesterday I lost 500. Yeah, the link to this app will be in this description if someone wants it, if anyone even sees this video. um yeah, it's crazy trade today. Really happy for the war news because those saved my ass. I think I would have hit TP, but it would have took, I don't know, 8 hours or something. Um, but yeah, crazy trade. See you guys. Bye bye.